The general manager of Akonta Mining told the court that Wontumi engaged him in 2021 after disclosing that he had Chinese partners who would provide equipment, logistics, and would front the mining operations. Edward Akuoko indicated that in 2022, despite not being issued a mining license, Chairman Wontumi told him to move into Tano Nimiri Forest Reserve to mine, noting that he had informed the then Lands Minister.
And he said, no, on one for evidence, and I said, the client, Chairman Wontumi, Anna Akonta Mining, so the operator of Tano Nimiri Forest, no, only for, and also I call you Boahen, and the court appeal, and fat. Court Ashano. Court reject delay touches. National Service Scandal trial. It is hard any of delay and the end. Say fortunate. Ghana forgot to Abama Bomia in 2028. And you good bye. No prosecutor any abe file Yamano. But obey them. Well light a lie. Obey them. Oh. Message of crony be wa. Amount for boy ya. I don't know any yabroso. Operation recover all loot. And then medobe fa calendar nimu. Chairman Wontumi ene minua ba no. Gifty Oware Mensah. I am the rough. And then court the strong warning amano. Chairman Wontumi a strong warning. Now other cases are ne operation recover all loot. Ya can was him. Enuni. Me ba calendar ni na. Now after this, will you now believe say as a court process content them, and you believe say by the end of 2026, you will judgment. Some big fish be with them. What's I believing because after reading all this and telling you what is happening, aura your court one. You trust me. Catch me our comment section. I say. Ujitum say ora no. So by end of 2026, ebeyaduma ubi bedem. And I said, emfa. Catch me. And cases are so and started here. Ora cases in court this week, May 11th, 15th. Indeed, on Monday, and May 11th, 10 o'clock a.m. Another criminal court 4. Republic versus Asamoah and Ano Sky train case. Ye $2 million na a year. Ya who sky no ya who train no. Ano sa case no. Kai say Professor Amiakuvi. O ne lawyer dey na dia no. Me say onye lawyer for fraud ya. This will be family na me kudi eyes. Say wa mi ro kra ho. O ba ko fa say wa. Na say wa bo na say dia say na say na critical. Cross-examination of third prosecution witness. Ana ekoso edi sa case no be ye yedru ni mpompo so ado no say ye be wie nche ebe wie nche cause third prosecution witness and yedru so 10:30 a.m. criminal court 1 eho ana champion atananka se wo Republic versus Akonta mining and 3 others Nimiri Forest Reserve mining case and also cross-examination of first prosecution. And no, Anna Chairman Wontumi lawyer and the appear could be. Explanation of the my dear. Lawyer and the appear could be. Mentiasi. Say, what do you say? Ya shut up as a case in a delay. No. What shut down who? I know him say case no delay. Baobwa, case we. What the more witness be back, Yabeka. Chairman Wontumi differ, obey them. Now, Chairman Wontumi case for us our home to try relax men could be here. I know Tuesday, May 12th. And also 10 o'clock a.m. Specialized Court 1. Republic versus Kwabena Boahen and 2 others. The cyber security software scandal. Cross-examination of the third prosecution witness. And also lawyer attaching here. Also actually that a delay case. No. They say the next judge phone be a lawyer phone able delay. No. Now, Kwabena Boahen na o sika chairman Musa no bo Ghana for busiano. Papa na say utesije kakra. 12 o'clock p.m. Criminal Court 4. Republic versus Asamoah and Ano Sky train case nti ene oko Monday Boasiako Tuesday and so cross examination of third prosecution witness. On Wednesday, May 13th, 9:30 a.m. Criminal Court 1. Republic versus Akonta mining and 3 others. Nimiri Forest Reserve illegal mining case. And the way court has share lawyer a friend say and the appeal could be said on pair off. Mon file for my case no. Na wakan say munye madene. But be no. Olusu patience. Cross examination of first prosecution 10 o'clock a.m. Specialized Court 1. Republic versus Kwabena Boahen and 2 other cybersecurity software scandal. And also cross examination of third prosecution witness. On Thursday, Specialized Court 1. Republic versus Kwabena Boahen. Once and there, case is said, what was so? You didn't any judge for Nash as said Accra. I have fed your sorry. But a lawyer for no, a move go slow, or move delay cases. Anna me say why? Why oh why? Aden. My young cousin say muji do me say my client because Kwabena Boahen lawyer attach ya send the client here innocent. Lawyer and the appeal could be send the client time won't be innocent. And to say omo ye innocent ah. My young cousin ni from freeway. Ah ya kwa akuna mu dia ba yachi miensen. 2 p.m. Criminal Court 4. Republic versus Antwi Boasiako, aka Chairman Wontumi and 2 others. Eno on say ba akoni Akonta mani so ana odi kan na Chairman Wontumi to aso. Ana nkana kanaga ho. Ba we no Antwi Boasiako aka Chairman Wontumi and 2 others. Samra boy illegal mining case akwa no na obo home na we. Oko a friend say tano Nimiri Forest one ma. No akọ create distraction kakra. Oye no ba Samra boy. Em say hey. And then no skate no pill and young Senagodi. All display or TV, Sunni radio so. And it's rest, Ano. Go near two papa. And here is a anno ever case management conference for the defense. Accra High Court, a direct lawyer of MPP Ashanti Regional Chairman Antwi Boasiako, aka Chairman Wontumi, to serve documents which they sought to tender as evidence to state prosecutors.
Antwi Boasiako, also known as Wontumi, and 3 others have been charged with multiple offenses for allegedly undertaking illegal mining in the Nimiri Forest Reserve in the Western region. They have pleaded not guilty and are on bail. In court on Monday, May 11, lawyers of the NPP Ashanti Regional Chairman, led by Andy Apiakubi, continued with the cross-examination of the prosecution's first witness, Edward Akuoko. The general manager of Akonta Mining told the court that Wontumi engaged him in 2021 after disclosing that he had Chinese partners who would provide equipment, logistics, and would front the mining operations. Edward Akuoko indicated that in 2022, despite not being issued a mining license, Chairman Wontumi told him to move into Nimiri Forest Reserve to mine, noting that he had informed the then Lands Minister. The NPP Ashanti Regional Chairman showed a no objection letter into his request to the minister as permit for the operations. He further explained that indigents of Samra Boy protested against the mining activities of Akonta Mining and set heavy-duty trucks belonging to the company ablaze. According to the witness, one of the trucks was provided by the Chinese partners of Wontumi. Asked to produce documentation to prove the owner of the consignment carried by the trucks, the witness disclosed that Wontumi was not in the habit of working with documents, since according to him, he was not an academic. Andy Apiakubi, however, produced a letter which he explained had been authored on behalf of Wontumi and sought to tender it into evidence. Senior State Attorney Nana Maprempe told the court they had not been served with a document. The court therefore ordered the defense lawyers to file the documents into disclosures and serve the state before the next adjourned date. And Apiakubi spoke after the hearing.
Never use documents in transactions, but we're trying to prove that that is not the case because he himself has signed documents for and on behalf of A2 and A1 in civil courts. And we are seeking to tender that document that he signed in his witness statement in that civil court to indicate A2, A1 that when necessary, they give documents.
And he says, no, on one for evidence, and Brad said, the client, Chairman Wontumi, Anna Contaman, so the operator Tanon Yimri Forest, no, only for, and also I call Boahen and crowd the appeal and fat, I feel caught Ashano. Kete. Oh, boy, die, Daruf. Fally. Earlier, former Contaman General Manager Edward Akuoko told the court during cross-examination that Chairman Wontumi does not deal with documents. The prosecution first witness indicated that Wontumi defense was that he was not academic. Ungo school now person we national chairman. And no come bro for we nipa azu ko prempe. Na ne lawyer and the appeal committee high, han S37. O say omo gwa ko pe certain documents bi a e wo court nsem bi. Na o ma kire se ne clients no akọ school. Ana se eba nkrata asem a enhyere nye ku sa kakra wo ho. Na signature osensan ye na ze wan kan anti ase anka on sign. Na obi wan go school design tom print ana nko ye. Am say nkanye enu ani. Se o faale se ne permit a onya ye na ne license onya ye odi ye adwuma ne nu ani. Na nga case nto atwa. Ugo pe other documents mom to cancel we. Na ai sempa ani. Hey lawyers. Mo having the mokobio. Well, and the appeal so you are not alternative so. Now we have to stop Galamsey. How are we going to stop Galamsey now? When you are defending a Galamsey campaign. Papa. What do you feeling the I'm to come some guess? Only me darling. If you know. Oh, Tim can crack. On the side for Nakano, but we did. As a explanation of the mind, the shape of whom mobile provided license now, just said, or a year friend saying, mining licenses are more provided, and Namunya, I think a compensing nature dead. Now, Republic versus Gifty Oware, Aboagye, Mensah, Mamma, Messy, Monim, the entire Mensah feelings are. And I said, Bamacania, Yanet and Yammy Fort. There isn't a very simple. Mammy, Anna Black Queen from Bragana, ye bobo, ye dear Nina as ye winnie. Oh, your bar. One of my Black Queens ye. Now, government, your mocha. Ye can't share my mid grandfin. Emma guess he could demonstration. Emma be support. Oh, ye near Kobusana, and I see it here. One ma command you amount for ma several months. Omugo sunye demonstration ma omutwe ya was say ye tia. Na the level of arrogance no enye. Na and court reject delay tactics. National Service Scandal trial. Today in court, attended by lawyers for the accused person in the Republic versus Gifty Oware Aboagye Mensah to delay proceedings hit a snag. The court refused an oral application to stay proceedings pending a stay application at the Supreme Court. The court proceeded to set dates. And times for the continuation of trial. Prosecution will continue to lead its evidence in chief on 18th of May 2026, after which cross-examination will follow. After say omo person omo chima mi ofiki yare. Now some starting court was afiki yare. It took the judge to order her to start coming to court. Assumption says so go do we be no court man warning you. So from day one when say krono de wabo. And the omna court to be na court down ho bobo we dey na obeche pa. And the lawyer any na from mo adwene. Say be aduru no. This say me bam. E be aduru de this obamu. It is hard any omedile and the sa anya na say fortunate. Ghana for go to abama bomia in 2028 and the ogudu bye bye. No le prosecute ani abe faale dia ma no. Ba obo obedam. Wallahi tallahi ubedam. Wo. Message o kroni ni bi wa amanfo boy ya eno no eme yabro so national service fuzika ya 7 million 700 Ghana no teacher for na mo 5,000 kure esu kom na school ni na akọ high dine obi man so obedidi obese abrabo no ni service bia da ho na yama no 700 sika na enso na yenya yemfo bi nka ho ma no we creative fake ghost name da kwaji loan afri ho eset mi delay o musika na untwa sa nipa no yem ka sorry se obra te se a friend say Abdul Hanan we school kwala feeding fee a day 2 Ghana ye dey ma school akwala eno grafi na yatum na wo fake rice expired rice di komo na what to adan that's such person no say man need there the way me feeling no me feeling benze but after listening to everything amakai now do you have hope in Operation Recover Olds and as still faith no that Thomas catch me our comment section as where we are subscribe like it na say mo nua eso enye bibia e no e ba ko maxi billion awu no krefi on Oboga Trends Macau. Bye bye.